Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have some shrimps right here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean these up, devein them, and then we're gonna pull the back of that skin off that salmon. We're gonna make some salmon stuffed shrimp. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. I'm gonna do all that off camera. So let's make it happen. Okay, so now we're gonna add our herb and seasoning. Teaspoon of thyme leaf. Tablespoon of lemon pepper. Tablespoon of onion powder. We'll use some of this jalapeno juice, jalapeno pepper juice. DIJON mustard. Two tablespoons. Oyster sauce. Two tablespoons. And a tablespoon is teriyaki. And here go our salmon. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab 2 pieces of bread, throw them in the toaster, let them get crunchy, and we're gonna use the breadcrumbs. That's how we're gonna do our breadcrumbs. Okay, so I chopped up green onion, red onion, ginger, and 4 garlic heads, 4 garlic cloves. Okay. We have lime. Any juice in there? It don't look like any juice in these limes. All right, I'm about to cut up another one. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the lime in there. I got another lime right here. I have to chop this up. Hopefully we got some juice in there. Okay, so I just chopped up another one. Oh, we got a little juice coming out. Yeah, they bumped me. Okay. So that's all we need right there. All right, we have bread. Crumble this bread real quick. Our little breadcrumbs. Mix everything in. Okay, so that go our I'm filling. Okay, so we're gonna season our shrimp, paprika, 2 tablespoons of paprika, garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, chili powder, 1 tablespoon, more spice, Tony's, 1 tablespoon, and lemon pepper, a teaspoon. I'll mix all this in. Okay, so we have our little filling right here. We'll go ahead and get that shrimp right. Try to even it out. Okay. So that's how we're gonna do our shrimp. That's how we're gonna stuff them. Okay, so we have our shrimp, our colossal shrimp stuff. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place them in a deep freezer for an hour. We'll get a better steak. So it's going in deep freezer for 1 hour. Okay, so we have 1 egg right here, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon cornstarch, a teaspoon of baking powder, we have 1 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of jalapeno peppers juice. Go ahead and mix this in, and we're gonna season it up. Okay, so we're gonna put a tablespoon of dash, garlic and herb, salt free, a tablespoon of Old Bay, now we're gonna mix it in. Okay, I added 2 tablespoons of dry parsley. We'll add a little bit of vegetable oil. There we go right there. So you want to get this to 350, and we're gonna start cooking. Okay, so here we go an hour later. Not too runny. thick. Go check our oil. Yeah, it's ready. See how, yeah, put that wood in there, it's ready. Go ahead, set it in there. Boom. Nice coat. Okay, so we have to switch it up. I'm just using regular all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and seasoning. That's it. I like the way the shrimps came out. So we're just using this right here. Okay. Let them fall in there, just like so. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our stuffed fried salmon shrimp. When I say this is fire, this is fire. And your grease, it don't have to be on 350. You want it lower than 350, like 200. You want to get that nice color on your shrimp and whatever you stuff it with. Well, that's how we looking. The dip will be in the description. So I did my thing right here in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.